Our Black Friday sale is now available on the website for the remainder of the month. This will apply on the ebook, course and mentorship plans. Private message me on Twitter, links down below for more information, or head straight to the website. Welcome back everyone to another Hbar update. If you've been tuning in over the past few days and weeks, we have been saying that we are expecting further upside, a retracement all the way back up to this high, as long as some certain key levels can hold. So make sure you do stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. It really does help the channel grow, and we're on the verge of hitting 7,500 subscribers before the end of this year. Help me achieve that goal. Maybe next year we can hit 10k. So if we now actually continue to hold this purple box area, this is how we get up to that previous high, and then surpassing that, we're looking at a 10.5 cent target for Hbar. From today's current price, this would be, of course, a move of about 70%, let's just call it. In order to get that continuation, yes, we do need to hold this, but there are some other things that we need to go through in today's update. So let's get into that now. If you do remember from yesterday's video, we had broken through the day before, but in yesterday's update, I was suggesting that we must now see a close above the 20 moving average. The reason why I drew out this line is that I was saying it's totally fine to actually lose the 20 moving average because we have these body candle closes here. So if we were to come down here again, we just need to reclaim the moving average. Pretty much just what we saw over here where we lost the EMAs. You'd say this is now bearish and we're expecting the golden cross to be met. But of course, as there were bodies within this area and over here holding this as support, you can see that this body did not close beneath this, and so you're still holding a key level of support, and with that we reclaim the moving average, the 20, which suggests in the immediate short term we should just be expecting upside. So what you need to do after reclaiming that is actually confirm it as support, and that's why we marked out this circled area in yesterday's update, the 20 daily moving average, for immediate continuation to the upside. So we'll go look at that on the 4 hour. You can see, yes, so we just flipped this previous resistance that was once support back into support. So essentially that this move to the downside, where we came all the way back down to this dotted line of support that I drew out a few weeks ago, where the 200 EMA was just a fake move, and we're reclaiming that key level of about 6 cent, the psychological level, and confirming it as support over here. Let me just scale back to the daily so I can get rid of this right now. And so as long as that continues to hold, we should just be expecting further continuation to the upside. It was quite annoying that a few days ago we were looking for that breakout, the 786, which is what stopped us, and I was mentioning it's because the highest body candle closes here. So once this 786 is cleared, then it's free reign to keep going up until 10.5 cent. So now if I scale back down to the 4 hour time frame, we'll look at this range a little bit clearer to give you a more precise price that Hbar now needs to break today or tomorrow in order to get this continuation up back to 7.5 and then 10.5 cent. So as we held 6 cent down here over the past day, it's very vital. Of course, look, we've been playing around with the moving averages. We actually failed to see a bearish crossover here. This is called an EMA repel, and so that's why we got slung back above. Because yeah, you create a slingshot motion when you fail to see a bearish cross. Similarly, look to the left over here where they were about to form a bearish cross. We were continuing down in the downtrend. We had lost the moving averages, and so with that we're meant to continue down to the 200 EMA. But it's not just about understanding if you lose a moving average, it goes down to the next. You need to also look for supports and resistances, and all of this is taught in my education. The best way to get taught is the mentorship plan. If you do take action, there's either a 5 to 10 hour plan. You do get my 6 hour long course as well included to fall back on, as well as 2 months free in the community. The reason why this is the best option, because you get my one-on-one time, you get the course, and you also get group time. So every week we do 2 weekly group calls, and then you might even be doing 1 or 2 group one-to-one calls a week. So if you just stay consistent and disciplined and have that determination, that never give up attitude, then take action. The links are down below, and I do have the Black Friday sale at the moment that will last until the end of this month. So over here we are playing around, but as we've seen the EMA repound, the last time this happened we had a slingshot motion that sent us back above the moving averages and confirmed its support, looking for that break of that 786. Unfortunately it failed, and we returned back down to this key level. As we saw, the 6 cent psychological level right over here was once a support, so this moved down beneath the 6 cent is just to retest this level to see will it hold. Of course, the 200 EMA is there. This is the bottom of our uptrend, and as we didn't see a bearish cross, that is specifically the reason why we've pumped back above it, because we're holding the uptrend, and so we shouldn't see a bearish cross. We should see an EMA repel where it takes us back to the high. We haven't got that push back up to the high yet, but there could be, you can see over here, a potential double bottom to get us up there. So the level that I really need to see being reclaimed is 6.5 cent right over here, 6.434. And so by doing so and flipping in support, we're creating the reversal wave where we're looking for these targets up here, 7.5 cent, which is our 1 fib level, back up at that previous high over here. So we can see that our 1 fib is at the 786. So by creating the reversal wave, pushing through 6434 cent and flipping into support, we're looking for a break of the 1 fib level, which is this high. And of course, as we zoom out, it's the 786 fib, which we were saying on the daily is the level that we've been struggling to break. That's why we've seen these dumps in the past weeks or so. And so just break through that for the continuation to our 7.5 cent target. And then we've also already got confluence at the next target, 8.5 cent, where we're looking for 10.5 cent to be the area where we look to top out, or as just a potential take profit area for those that are trading, not necessarily for those holders, because again, long term, we're nowhere near our target. So it's down to you if you want to, if there are projects that you can't really afford to put your own money in at the moment, maybe it could be that you want to shift some cryptos from one into another. And at that point, when we do meet that 10.5 cent target, or between 9.5 and 10.5 cent target, you might be like, oh, okay, I know this is not my future bull market target for Hbar. I'm not too happy to sell everything at this price, but maybe it's time for me to scale out a little bit to get into another coin. That could be a time to do so, because again, in the Discord community over the past 3 days, we've had cryptos that have done 30% moves, another one 40, another one 80, and another one 90 in the past 3 days, guys. We have a lot of gems in the Discord community. Unfortunately, I do not share all of them on the YouTube. However, there are many on the YouTube channel, just like your Nakamoto games, your Caspers, your Injectives, and so on and so forth. But there are a lot more gems in the community, so if you want to access that, use the links down below, message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website for the discounts, for the Black Friday discounts. And so that is specifically why for coins like Hbar, Quant, and any of these larger caps, or XRP, or even VeChain that you're in, that are not seeing such big moves, maybe when we do actually hit these take profits much higher, it could be a moment where you're like, okay, I'm just going to sell a small bit of my Hbar, Quant, VeChain, or XRP back, and I'm going to get into these smaller caps, for example. So that is pretty much it from me today. Hopefully you found a lot of valuable information in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and remember, guys, we need to push through this golden pocket in order to get back up to the larger 1 fib level at 7.5 cent. We've got further confluence there with this new set of fibs being placed. Again, you need to break through this, because if we now fail to do so, we're coming back down to the 200 EMA once again. Catch you in the next one. Don't forget to take action on the Black Friday discounts that last until the end of this month. And our Black Friday sale is now available on the website for the remainder of the month. This will apply on the ebook, course, and mentorship plans. Private message me on Twitter, links down below for more information, or head straight to the website. Cheers, everyone.